Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be creating another semi-custom brand. And if you don't know what a semi-custom brand is, it is what it sounds like. It's a semi-custom brand, so I will not be customizing the typography. However, I'm going to be creating some nice patterns to fit with the brand, which will make a more personalized feel. And if you are a designer, I think it's a great idea for you to also create some semi-custom brands and place them on your shop, as it's another form of income coming in. So today we're going to be creating a hair and beauty brand. And if you already don't know, my name is Cami. I am a brand designer / strategist, and here on YouTube I do tons of passion projects as well as do talking videos about designer stuff. So definitely give me a follow if this sounds like something that you'd enjoy. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, that's where I post the most. That's where you can see me on my day-to-day. I post there every single day, so give me a follow there. So let's get started. So after having a search on Adobe fonts, I chose one of the options, and then I was looking for some more options just to ensure that I'm 100% sure with this option, but it was naturally speaking to me and I haven't found a font that was speaking to me as much as this one. And I think with this being a semi-custom brand, I did like that this font had a lot of glyphs and a lot of options for me to give this brand a more of a personal feel, as you do have a couple options. I decided to go with the two fonts, Lust and Lust Scripts. They have a lot of similarities, and I really like how both of them have a lot of glyphs and options, which does make this semi-custom brand feel a bit more personal. And after I chose which font to go with, that's where we will be starting with the logo variations. So as always, I like to have logo variations that one that is stacked on top of each other and one that is just straight, and then we have the description underneath it, as well as a submark, so something that will be able to go into a circle. Next, I decided to start with the illustrations and patterns. So here I will be using my tablet, and if you have an Apple device, you can easily connect your Apple devices together, so then you can draw on your tablet and you can see it on your screen. However, my laptop is an Acer, so I had to find a substitute to connect both of my devices together. I used something called Splashtop Business, and that allowed me to connect both of my devices and allow me to draw on my tablet, which I can see on my laptop. And after you're done connecting with your devices up, that's when you can start doing the illustrations. And the way I was doing this was drawing with the paintbrush tool, and then this would be a very rough drawing. It doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, my drawings are very rough. After you're done with that, you can move the anchor points and you can make it perfect. I also use the smooth tool just to smooth out the lines and make it more perfect. And something important is remember to ensure that all of your anchors are touching each other, as then you won't be able to colour it in. And to colour it in, I used the live bucket tool. And as this was a hair and beauty brand, I wanted to create illustrations that fit with both of the hair and beauty, just in case one of the clients would be just a hairdresser or just focusing on beauty. So it would allow the client to mix and match the patterns as they please. So the patterns that I've created was a hairdryer, a mirror, one of those brushes. I also created some lips, some love hearts, scissors, a lipstick, and some nail varnish. And I think that's all. Oh, as well as a brush. And I think that's all. So after I was done creating my illustrations, patterns, and coloured that in, I was ready to colour it in, as at that time I wasn't yet too sure on what colours we'll be using. But as I was going through creating the illustrations, I really felt this very feminine vibe, and I really wanted to go with colours that really represent that. So I decided to go with shades of pink and red, and that really worked with my logo variations as well as my patterns, and I think it really conveyed the idea that I really wanted to convey. So it felt very naturally to me. These colors are very empowering, that they are feminine, and I think that really fits with the hair and beauty business. And of course, the colors can be changed based on the client's needs. This was like a very nice representation of the logo variations and the patterns using these colors. And I forgot to record at the end, but I also added some photography, and I used the logo variations on top of the photography just to bring the logo to life and just show the logo variations in a more interesting way rather than just the color backgrounds. So I used photography that would fit into the beauty industry, and I hope that you've enjoyed the process and you can sit back, relax and enjoy the whole brand. I hope that you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give it a like, comment and subscribe. It helps my channel a lot, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!